Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, again, isi-share ko po sa inyo ang aking experience with the new product discovery, which is this Navarro Bleaching Soap. So if you want to know if this product is really effective, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so patawarin nyo na ako kasi I cannot show you an unboxing of this specific product kasi I've actually consumed it or I've actually used it a couple of days now. So the reason why I'm filming this video is because I want to share with you my experience with this Navarro Bleaching Soap. At first, to be honest with you, hindi talaga ako naniniwala na mabilis kang puputi sa isang sabon lang. Although mahal siya ha. This actually cost 350 pesos. Meron na naman akong listahan dito para masabi ko sa inyo yung mga details. 350 pesos for only 135 grams of product. Medyo maliit siya. Regular na sabon lang siya. Although yung regular sabon is like 90 grams. Pero yung iba, like Safeguard, I think is 135 grams also. But correct me if I'm mistaken, pero naglalaro lang siya sa normal size ng sabon. So this is again, will cost you 350 pesos. And ang importanteng bagay dito na dapat mong gawin ay hati-hatiin mo siya. So kung naririnig niyo kumakalog na yun, kasi dalawa na lang yung natitira sa sabon na ito. So hinati ko siya sa 8. Sinati ko sa gitna, hinati ko ulit sa gitna, sinati ulit ko sa gitna. And I've been using this for about 7 days. Bakit 7 days kung may dalawa pa dito? Kasi yung isang ganito, may konti-konting sobra. So, ina-add ko siya sa gagamitin ko sa susunod. So, basically, ito, for whole body, may konti pa siyang sobra kasi I don't use it on my face. I'll tell you why in a while. So, ayun nga, dalawa na lang siya. So, basically, itong sabon na to is supposed to give you an instant whitening. So, hindi siya yung tone-up cream na talagang bigla kang puputi na as in super puti na pag hinugasan mo wala na. So, this soap actually says that Navarro product or the Navarro bleach is known for its effectivity when it comes to bleaching. Pero they come up with this soap para doon sa mga tao na walang time magtimpla and walang time magbabad ng matagal. Well, ako, marami akong time pero I don't think I will actually spend time na magtimpla at magbabad. But since I'm so curious, nag-decide ako na bilhin tong product na to. So it says here, it whitens skin, fades stretch marks, whitens siko, tuhod, and nape or yung batok, prevent body odor, lighter scars or peklat, fade acne scars, whiteheads, and blackheads, with whitens bikini area or bikini line, and whitens discoloration. So, totoo ba ang mga claims na ito? Before I do, before I conclude if that is really true, let's start with the packaging. Ito yung itsura niya, no? May purple lang siya, may white. Tapos ganito yung bukasan niya. Nakatape kasi siya eh. Ganyan. So, ganyan siya, magbubuksan. Yan. So, pwede rin namang sa taas o pwede rin namang sa baba. Ganito ko lang siya kasi nabuksan nung dumating siya. So, pwede rin namang ganyan lang. So, ayan yung packaging niya. No? May SPF 20 na siya. And sabi dito, do a skin test before using the product. You may feel a bearable tingling and itching sensation during bleaching. I think that's quite similar to the feeling when you're using a Kojic soap. And then, do not rub, scratch the skin to avoid rashes. Do not apply on open wounds, avoid contact with eyes, and discontinue if the irritation persists. And always store in dry, cool place. Now, for the directions. Importante na isundin nyo yung directions niya. It says here, if you're gonna use it as a facial wash or for your face, you have to wet the soap, rub the soap repeatedly into your hands, and to get the small ulit. Alright, so ito yung pinaka-importanteng dapat nyong sundin. Instructions or directions. Wet the soap and run soap repeatedly into your hands to gather small amount of lather. Using only the lather, apply light circular motion to gently clean your entire face and neck area. Do not rub in capitalization. The fruit extract exfoliation active or action takes effect upon skin contact. So there is no need to use force. Rinse well, pat the face and neck dry with fresh, soft tissue or towel. That's a very, very, very specific instructions when it comes to using it as a facial wash or as a soap for your face. Now for the body wash. Rinse the bar soap all over the body and lather well at least 3 minutes. Minimum 3 minutes. Rinse well, pat the body dry and with a fresh and soft towel. So that is basically the instruction. Very simple when it comes to the body wash. For facial wash, it's very specific. Now, I actually tried it on my face. And it is a big no. I have a sensitive skin and I practically made my skin worse. Sobrang peeling around my nose, patche-patche ng pula on my cheeks, and also may mga redness dito sa pagitan ng sa gilid ng aking lips. It was a nightmare. Then I decided to just use it on my body. Skin test is very important. Mag-skin test ka dito, that will only take effect for your body. Mag-skin test ka dito, this is how it will react on your face. Mas manipis po ang ating skin kaysa sa the rest of our body. Pero since mas malapit siya sa neck, and majority ng products na ginagamit natin sa face ay ginagamit din sa neck. So there's a big possibility na yung reaction sa face ay same sa neck. So do not heavily rely dito and then use it on your face. That's a big no-no. That's actually what I did. Tinry ko dito, walang effect. So I said, maybe, only maybe, okay din siya sa face ko. But then, it's a big no-no. So I stopped using it on my face. But the effect on my body is really, really, really amazing. On the first 2 days, wala lang, babad-babad lang tayo. What I actually do is, pagkaligo ko, babasain ko yung buhok ko, babasain ko yung katawan ko. Well, technically, nag-shampoo muna ako. And then, nagko-conditioner. And then, inaangat ko yung buhok ko kasi ayoko mababaran siya ng bleach. And then now, yung regular na sabon, I have a Palmolive soap. Sasabonin ko pa rin yung katawan ko kasi gusto ko matanggal yung dumi. Kasi, kahit na sinasabi nito na it will prevent body odor, I don't think this has germicidal effect or germicidal product or content or whatever, ingredients. So, yung sabon, sinasaban ko siya sa katawan ko and naghihilod na rin ako ng konti. Just the foamy lather ng sponge, scrubber. Konti lang, hindi naman masyado madami yung force. Ganyan. So, pagkatapos nun, mabilisan lang yun and then banlaw. And then, eto na. Hindi ko siya nilalagay ng sobrang basa yung katawan ko. Ang ginagawa ko, konting bawas ng tubig. Basa pa rin siya, pero hindi yung tumutulo, dripping wet. Ganyan. And then, punas. Then, that's the time, babababad ko siya. Igaganyan ko lang siya sa braso ko, sa binti ko. And, honestly, hindi ko sinusunod yung 3 minutes. I am actually letting it stay on my body for 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Minimum of 5, maximum of 10 minutes. Pero maximum na yata talaga ay 20 or 30 minutes. Hindi ka na dapat yata mag-exceed there. Kung hindi, super dryness. Which is, one more thing about this. This is not hydrating. This is drying. Because what it does is it tries to replenish or renew your skin. And nagkakaroon ka ng micropeeling. Yung para bang libag. Yung naghilod ka na pero magtataka ka bakit parang may libag pa rin yung katawan mo. That's what happened to me on the 4th and 5th day. Tama ba? 4th and 5th day? Yeah. 4th and 5th day. Nag-start na mag-micropeel. As in, dito, konti. Seriously, naghihilod po ako araw-araw kahit na alam kong hindi yan advisable. Naghihilod ako araw-araw pero hindi yung lufa na talagang hinihilod man ganyan. Yung ginagamit ko yung sponge, yung scrubber na sponge, and then I do that on my face, on my body. Kasi nga, ayoko ng super harsh naman sa skin. Gusto ko rin, meron pa rin konting exfoliation, although hindi ganun ka katindi yung scrubbing na nangyari. Now, what I will be doing is I will insert a clip ng demo na ginawa ko on my assistant so that mas accurate yung result kasi hindi ko na nga na-film yung first time ko siyang ginamit. And kapag nag-demo naman ako ngayon, wala naman kayo masyadong, adjust natin ng konti, maliwanag, madilim, sakto lang. I don't know. hindi na siya ganun ka-accurate. So, I'll insert the clip of my assistant.
Hindi siya nabibigyan ng justice, pero this is definitely one shade lighter kumpara dito. Tanggalin natin yung flash. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, kita na. Mas maputi na ito compared dito.
So, ayun na nga po. It's not really something na mag-whiten yung skin mo. As in, parang yung kulay niya, tapos bigla magiging kakulay ko na siya. Parang hindi naman siya ganun ka-posible mangyari. Kasi for 350 pesos, aba, dinaig pa niya si Belo. Di sana kay Belo ka nagpunta kung gusto mo ng ganong resulta and gagastos ka na. Not just 350 pesos, but 350,000 or more. So, now, sa akin, ang napansin ko, meron kasi akong medyo maliit na peklat dito sa gilid ng aking, hip. Nagkaroon kasi ako last year or 2 years ago, or last year lang yata, ng pigsa. Nahawa ko ng pigsa na aking kapatid. And isang maliit-maliit lang siya, pero maitim na maitim siya. I don't know, siguro mas tumatanda ka, mas matagal na mag-regenerate yung skin mo when it comes to healing ng mga bruises. So, maitim siya. Ang pangit niya, as in, imagine maputi ako, tapos meron akong ganyan gapiso na peklat. But after 3 or 4 days, naglighten na siya, not 3 to 4, 5 to 6 yata. Kasi kahapon, 6 days. Kahapon ko lang na-notice na, wow, parang hindi na siya ganun ka, adjust natin, ha? Sorry. Sabi ko, wow, parang hindi na siya ganun kaitim. Talagang naglighten na siya. Kasi hindi ko rin napapansin sa sarili ko. So, inask ko yung assistant ko. Sabi niya, yes po ate, pumuputi ka na po. Pero, the negative thing is, you really, really need to invest on a good lotion. Kasi it's really, really drying. So, make sure na gagamit ka ng lotion after using it with SPF. Kasi, kung ikaw nagbe-bleach, tapos magbibilid ka sa araw, friend, it's a big no-no. Wag na wag kang magbibilad sa araw nang hindi ka naglalagay ng protection. First of all, dapat nga hindi ka nagbibilad sa araw. Magpayong ka, magtaksi ka, mag-ano ka, kasi lahat ng effort mo masasayang lang. Pangalawa, make sure to use a lotion that has SPF not lower than 30. Okay? Not lower than 30. Based on my experience, kung below 30 rin lang siya, wala naman siyang effect. I mean, saktuhan lang. Hindi siya yung magpo-protect talaga sa'yo. Parang, wala lang, nilagay mo lang siya. So, why not go for 30, SPF 30 and higher? Sa face, SPF 50 and higher kung gusto mo talaga maprotektahan yung face mo. I don't recommend this on your face. I think there's a better product that you can use for face. Pero for body, I highly, highly recommend using this kung gusto mo ng instant puti. Pero, make sure na you have to be masipag. Kailangan mo magsipag na gamitin to kasi kung isa o dalawang beses mo lang siyang gagawin, masasayang lang yung effort mo. Kasi sabi nung seller sa akin, yung effect niya, after 7 to 8 washes, tsaka pa lang siya somehow magiging permanent. Nakalagay dito, instant permanent white. Hindi naman siya instant permanent white after one use. At least after one soap. Now, kung maitim ka talaga, halimbawa kagaya ng assistant ko, umitim siya kasi umuwi siya sa probinsya nila. It's not something that will happen na maputi ka na after one soap. Sa akin kasi, ako nga maputi na eh. Pero yung puti ko, hindi yung puting talagang wow, ang puti, wow, flawless, wow, ang kinis, diba? So, it promises to lighten from your old color, from your original color. It will lighten up 1 to 2 shade lighter depending on the effect of the product and the ingredients of this soap sa reaction sa iyong katawan, but it doesn't mean na pagkagamit mo nito ay maputi ka na. So let's make it straight. It will lighten your skin. It will not make your skin white instantly. Alright, so those are my thoughts about this Navarro bleaching soap. Sana makatulong to sa inyo, and I might still continue using this or I might not. I'll give you an update on my future videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Goodbye!